Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A12 and today I would like to show you how you can download pictures from Instagram. Firstly, open Play Store and download an app called Repost for Instagram. Remember that it has to be from this developer. Now open it and go into your Instagram. Select the photo that you want to download, for example that one, and click at the three dots at the top right corner of it. Select Share To, tap on Repost App and go back to it. Now select one of the options and click at the photo that you want to download. Over here you can remove the label by clicking on the square icon or place it somewhere else by clicking on any other option. Lastly, click on the middle button to download your photo. Now when I go into my gallery, I can see that my picture was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!